Hey, Keller Williams agents, this is Ruth Vogt with Fairway Independent Mortgage. I'm speaking to you today on behalf of the American Warrior Initiative. Many of you attended the event that we had on July 7th at the Antlers, and you had the opportunity to listen to Becky Woods Johnson speak about being a Gold Star mom. You also know we raised some money, and we had many licensed contractors agree to donate their time and their expertise in the renovation of her son's home, a home that's been sitting vacant since he was killed in action in 2009. But before we start with the renovation, we have a lot of cleanup to do. So I'm inviting you. Yeah, doesn't that sound like a party? I'm inviting you to come and help us with the cleanup. It's going to be on July 23rd, and there is a link at the bottom of this email for you to just simply say, I'm in. So please consider donating some of your time and helping us out with the cleanup project. Thank you so much, and I do appreciate your support with our military and our veterans. Have a great day.